Gumroad Step by Step, the 30-day audience first plan. Your mantra: build trust first, then sell the solution. Pre-launch, days 1 to 14, audience and product. Step 1. Define your expert niche. Action: answer this. I can help audience achieve outcome using my method/expertise. Example: I can help first-time tech founders achieve a flawless product launch using my build in public marketing framework. Step 2. Create your irresistible free lead magnet. Action: create a small, high-value product that gives a quick win. Example: the SaaS launch checklist, 25 steps to your first 100 users. Make this a PDF. Set up a Gumroad account and list this product for $0. Step 3. Start building your audience. This is non-negotiable. Action: choose one primary platform. Twitter/X or LinkedIn are best. For 30 minutes daily, provide free, valuable advice related to your niche. Answer questions. Share mini tips.
Do not sell anything.
In your social media bio, link to your free Gumroad lead magnet. Step 4. Build your flagship paid product. Action: while building your audience, create your main product. Example: an in-depth guide or mini course. The Build in Public Launch Playbook, a 6-week guide to landing your first 500 customers. Launch, days 15 to 30, activation. Step 5. Build in public and tease your product. Action: as you create your paid product, share your progress on social media. Just finished writing the module on how to craft your founding story. Here's one tiny tip you can use today. Insert great tip. This builds anticipation and proves you know your stuff. Step 6. Set up your Gumroad paid product. Action: create the product page on Gumroad. Product image/video, a professional graphic or a short loom video of you explaining the product. Description: focus entirely on the transformation. By the end of this playbook, you will have pricing. Set a launch discount price for the first 2 weeks. Step 7. The soft launch to your network. Action: send an email to everyone who downloaded your free lead magnet. You loved my free checklist, so I thought you'd like to know I've just launched my complete course. Post on your social media. After 3 months of work, I'm launching my Build in Public playbook. It's live now with a 30% launch discount for the first 50 people. Ongoing success strategy. Content flywheel. Post free value daily on social media. Drive followers to your free lead magnet, growing your email list. Nurture your email list with more weekly tips. Gently promote your paid product to your list 1 to 2 times per month. Build an ecosystem. After you have 10 customers, consider offering a paid one-on-one consultation as an upsell.